In this video, I will show you how to get a VIDIQ promo code to save on subscriptions. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So here I am on the VIDIQ.com website. I have been using it for over 2 years now and I am really very satisfied. So, if you want to get a discount on your VIDIQ subscription, or even get your VIDIQ subscription for free, you just have to go through the link that I put under this YouTube video. You can find it either in the description or in the first pinned comment under the YouTube video. You really have to go through this link because it is a pre-activated link which will then offer you bonuses. If you click on the link, you will be automatically redirected to the VIDIQ website. You will then just need to register with your Google account, which is linked, for example, to your YouTube channel. Once that's done, if you go to the plans option, you will see that you will automatically have a promo code that will be offered to you both for the annual plan and also for the monthly plan with a 50% discount. If it doesn't appear, you can also enter the code Let's Get You Started, which will give you a 35% discount for 3 months. And if you click on the top right on your VIDIQ subscriptions, you can see that you will even have a 7-day free trial offered to you where you can use the boost version with all the features of VIDIQ for free. So just click on Start My 7-day free trial. So as you can see, this free trial is really free. It will cost you $0 for 7 days. To activate it, simply enter your credit card information, then click on Start Free Trial. And then once that's done, you'll automatically unlock all the VIDIQ features that you can use with your YouTube channel. It's the Gumi. Ciao!